Now let's draw this one. So for that, what I'll do first is I'm going to draw a rectangle of length 12 and then height 4, and length is 12, press tab, height is 4, and then enter. Now the next thing I'm going to do is again going to draw a rectangle. So basically this time the height of the rectangle will be 9.9. So how I'm getting this value, let me show you. So let me just simply type calculator. Now if total height of this one is 18, so let me just simply type 18 minus, I'm going to subtract this height which is 4, and then I'm going to subtract the radius of this outer circle which is 4.1. So the diameter of this outer one is 8.2 and the radius will be 4.1. And then if you press enter, you will see the height is 9.9, and if you look at the length, you will see the length is 12 minus 2 from this side and minus 2 from this side, that will be 8. So length is 8 and height is 9.9. So let's again draw a rectangle. So the length is 8, press tab, and the height is 9.9, and then press enter. Now I will select this one and move it. Click on this base point, the mid of this, and then I'm gonna move this one exactly at the center of this. Now that we have created this part, what next I'm gonna do is I will select these two and I'm gonna explode this like this. Now I'm going to draw a circle of this dia 8.2 of the outer one. So even you can just simply use you can draw it using 2-point circle as well. So for that I will just simply go to draw and use this 2 point like this. Now that we have drawn that, next we have the circle of dia 4.8. So again you can go here and use center diameter, and then we have a circle of 4.8. Press enter. Then we have a circle of 3.6 dia. Simply go there and center diameter. Then we have this 3.6 and then press enter. Now that we have drawn this thing, of course we don't need this line, so you can just simply delete it from here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a fillet here, and if you look at the fillet radius, that is 1.6 on both sides. So simply tap F and press enter. Now set the radius which is 1.6, press enter. We'll select this line and then this line like this. So you can see we have an issue here, so press escape, press enter again, select this line first and then this line. Now you are not going to get the issue. Even if you are going to get that, you can see we can just simply solve this one later on. So you can just simply click here and then we have this fillet. Now you can just simply click on this line, you can delete this line. Again you can use line and just draw it with this. Press escape. Again use a fillet with same radius. So simply click on this one and then this one. So we have simply drawn this part. Now here we have to draw a circle. So for that, here we have reference. So the circle is 2 units away from this point. So this time I will use polyline. Here I will move here in this 2, and then if you look at this height, you can see the center of height is 2.5. Enter and then press escape. Now let's draw the circle. So here you can just simply specify the center point. So this is our center point, and if you look at the radius, you can see we have 2 options. So basically the diameter is given, so instead of that I will just simply go here and click on center diameter. The diameter of the bigger circle is 2.4. so let me draw this, press enter. Again I will go to this center diameter and the inner one is 1.52. Click here and then press enter. Now after that, I don't need this polyline, so I will just simply select that and delete it from here. Now I will select both of these circles and I'm gonna mirror it. So I will go to mirror and mirror it like this. No, I don't want to erase the source object. Simply click on no. Now after that, we have an offset of 1 unit from this point to this point. So I will just simply use the offset. So O and then press enter. Unit is 1. Click on this one and then offset it like this. After that, press escape. Now that we are done with this part, let's do this part here. So for that, you can see we have offset of 1.6 from this side. We have an offset of 1.6 from this circle to this circle, and then offset of this one here as well. So let's do that. So for that, simply type O, press enter, and then just simply type 1.6. I will select this object first, and then this one, and I'll do the same thing for this one. Now press escape. Now if you look, you see we have an offset of from this line to this line is 4.8. So again type offset, type 4.8, press enter, and then offset it like this. So basically, if you see that we are getting this shape here, which is exactly looking like this. Now all we need is just to simply trim the extra part. So simply type TR, press enter, and then I'm going to trim this side, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And of course, I'm going to trim this part as well. Now after that, I'll press escape, and I don't need this one anymore. So I'll just simply delete it. And I don't need these lines, so simply select this line from here and you can just simply delete it. Now you can see our drawing is completed.